Just log on YouTube to give your brain some new food.
Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the scheduled visit of U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo to Jamaica and the static that it has been causing between the Caribbean community, especially the chair of the Caribbean community and Prime Minister of Barbados, Maya Motley. I won't actually say too much on this subject for the simple fact that I actually covered this subject twice a year ago when I uploaded a video that was titled Donald Trump Tries to Divide Caricom. That video got a lot of feedback, and it only got a lot of feedback in my opinion because there had to be some truth to my suspicion, to my evaluation of the whole Trump's invitation to only selected few members of Caricom to Florida. Once again, it's kind of a similar situation, but this time, instead of the selected few going to Florida to meet with the Don at the moment is under scrutiny big time, could be impeached any day now, but he is still the President of the United States of America, so business continue. And for that reason, Mike Pompeo, the U.S. Secretary of State, is sent to Jamaica to meet with, again, only a selected few members of Caricom to discuss the recent flare-up in the Middle East and to discuss matters concerning Venezuela once again. Again, I won't get too much into that because I already covered that a year ago, and I think it's pretty much the same thing today except for the meeting location and Mike Pompeo sitting in the place of Donald Trump. The reason why I decided to cover this is because I was more than happy to realize that I'm not the only person with that mindset. The actual chair, Maya Motley, and Prime Minister of Barbados has declared her suspicion and alleged that the United States of America is indeed trying to divide Caricom. Trinidad and Tobago's Prime Minister Keith Rowley has stood with Barbados Prime Minister Maya Motley. Therefore, these two countries, these two leaders believe that the United States of America has an ulterior motive. Last year, Donald Trump promised U.S. investment opportunities to Caribbean leaders who sided with the U.S. and voted against Venezuela President Nicolas Maduro. And again, here we are in 2020, the beginning of 2020. Mike Pompeo, the U.S. Secretary of State, is now meeting in Jamaica with only a selected few of the Caricom leaders. Maya Motley is enraged and she's totally against this meeting and declared that she will definitely not be sending her foreign minister to any meeting with the United States of America where only a chosen few were selected to attend. Like I say, people, I cannot elaborate too much on this anymore because from where I'm sitting, I'll sound as if I'm actually just repeating myself. So I'm going to put the link to my two videos that I did last year in regards to the Donald Trump Caribbean community meeting, which one was titled Donald Trump is trying to divide the Caribbean community, and the other was titled The Caribbean Four Who Made the Don Soar. Let me know what you guys think of Mike Pompeo's visit to Jamaica, and let me know overall what you think about Donald Trump's promise to some Caribbean leaders that if they sided against Maduro, the president of Venezuela, they can get U.S. investment to their country. Should we stick together as Caricom? Should we fall together or should we prevail individually? Should we sell out? That's pretty much the question I'm asking. United we stand and divided we fall. So are we going to stick by that notion, or do you believe that to each their own and everybody should be looking out for their own interests? How do you feel about Caricom at the moment? How do you feel about the relationship relationship that Caricom at the moment. Like I say, I'm an outsider looking in, so it pleases me to hear someone from the inside share a similar view to me. Maya Motley obviously knows more than I do when it comes to Caricom and the politics of the United States of America and their relationship. So to hear someone like Maya Motley declare that she suspects the United States of America trying to divide Caricom, it only enforces my belief and tell me that I was actually on the right track. Anyway, people, like I say, I'm not gonna drag this one out, but before I go, let me big up some people.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
First and foremost, I want to big up Chad Murdoch. Then I want to big up Nasdrew. Then I want to big up Light. Then I have to big up Mega Shredder 101. And last but not least, let me big up Joy.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
Alright, people, like I said, it's very short, very quick. There's not much I could actually say on this particular subject, but I just had to bring it up there because I know it's a whisper at the moment, and I decided let me create a platform so all of my whisperers can actually write their comments and share their views in regards to Mike Pompeo's visit, the direction of Jamaica for 2020, its future, and its forecast. So people, like I say on my channel, I accept criticism, I accept thumbs up, I accept thumbs down, I accept agreement, and I accept disagreement, because what? Each one teach one. Until next time, people. Peace.